Hi, I'm Steph and this is Dr. Dre and we are both from the Calibrate studio. So today what we're going to go through is a deep core activation series, but this time specifically with your posterior chain. The reason why we're actually saying it's core is because most people think that your core is always the front side of your body, but actually we tend to neglect the back side. But in reality, when you think about what you're actually trying to protect, your spine has two sides to it, so we're actually trying to protect everywhere around that spine. Today, I'm going to take Dre through what's called a Superman. We are going to start off with the red mini band today, okay? So we're going to go for a heavier resistance, and I'm actually going to get Dre to put it around his ankles, okay? So get into it however you like. And then we're going to lie down face flat on our belly. Dre's going to keep his hands underneath his forehead. So you're going to rest your forehead onto your knuckles at all times. You do not want to lift your upper body off the ground for this variation. From here, I want Dre to actually think of drawing his belly button in towards his spine. So it's like there's a slight gap underneath there, okay? It's not excessive, but I just don't want his back to collapse down like that, okay? As he lifts his stomach into his spine, now he's going to activate his bum by actually just squeezing your butt cheeks together. Good. And now he's going to try and pull the band apart as he squeezes the bum. So as you hold that position there, he's going to lift his legs up like he's doing here, holding there for 3, 2, 1, and controlled, lower, back down, touch the floor, and then come back up again, squeeze, 2, 3, and come back down. So that's just a demo, but what I'm going to show you is another variation. So here you can see that Dre's feet actually changed. He went from pointed toes to flex toes. You can do both. It doesn't really make too much of a difference, but it does make a difference of how you feel it in your hips, okay? So once again, he's going to do pointed toes first, and he's going to continually pull the band apart. So as he comes up, he's going to pull the band apart, holding the top for 3, 2, 1, and come back down. This time he's going to go flex foot, so toes point to the ground, now lifting his heels up even higher, and his quads are super, super tight right now for 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now the whole time Dre is not forgetting to breathe. I didn't hear much there. I think he might have been holding his breath, but knowing him, he was not. So from there, that is called your prone Superman. We've got variations of those. Please stay tuned. We will show you different variations in the next few weeks. Thanks.